Hello, this is Keenan Maxfield with Green Go Solar Wholesale Distribution. I recommend that before you watch this video, you watch my last video that I posted on YouTube showing you how to get your GX device with a touchscreen connected to the internet and getting the firmware updated. So I'm going to assume that it's connected to the Wi-Fi and your firmware is updated, and now you want to connect it to the online monitoring, which is what we have here. The online monitoring is really nice. You've got a lot of nice features, and one of those is this remote console. And this remote console allows me to see the touchscreen as though I was filming the touchscreen itself. So I'm going to click that just so I can pull up the touchscreen so that what I see is going to be the same as what you see. Now in my last video, I was using the classic user interface, but if you've got the firmware updated and you've clicked on the new user interface like I showed you in that last video, then it's going to look more like this. And um, sorry, it'll pull up about like this. So this is the default screen. You've got your overview screen. We're going to go to the settings. Then we're going to go down here to VRM Online Portal. You might have to scroll. And now we have this, we've got down to this VRM Portal ID. If you've got this number already written down, then we're ready to go from here, but you need to make sure to save this ID number. So we're going to go to vrm.victronenergy.com. And if it pulls up looking something like this, and you can hit the back button. This is a list of all these different systems that I monitor regularly. I'm going to again hit the back button. So I've got installations and I've got this add installation button. Now, if you don't have any systems in your VRM account, it might just open up to a screen that looks something more like this. So you'll just hit add installation. Now, if you pick which GX device you have on site, then you want to put in that same number that we just wrote down from before, and then you name your installation, and then you click connect. This would be your own name that you put in for keeping your system organized. Click connect, and then that'll be it. Once it's connected, assuming your system is actually connected to the Wi-Fi, then once it's connected, it will look essentially like what we had here. It'll pop up and it'll show the monitoring. If you have an inverter, if you have solar, it'll pop up and show it, and you're ready to go. And at this point, if you are one of my customers, then if I am doing technical support for you, then you can go to settings, you can then go to users, and then you can click invite user. And at this point, you can put in my name, put in my email address, and then access level. This is important. Put it to admin, and then hit send. And that will invite me to be able to get into this system in order to help you troubleshoot it. From there, you could go to the advanced page and set up the advanced tab the way you want to see it, and that will be a future video. I'll do another video at some point where I show all of the neat features of this platform. But now that you've got this, yeah, the point of this video is just to get it onto the internet so that you can then start exploring those further options. Thank you very much and have a great day.